I am using One Size powder foundation, and it is in dark 4G, so dark 4 golden. This color suits me better in the summer. I'll have to look for a winter color because I like how this works on my skin. I'm going to use my Eco Tool. I like this brush. It's been with me for a long time. It looked like it's getting old, but I have to hold on to it. I love it. Brush ready to go. Patrick Star One Size Press Powder Foundation. I am just swirling in there for a little. Now I have, and I am just going to put that all over my face. I did a first wear test, first impression with it. If you go ahead, click on my playlist for foundation powder, you will see there are many other foundation powders that I have used. I love powder foundation. You might want to say I am old school, and that is okay. I am just pressing it into my skin. And it is looking nice already. See how dark it is? All of a sudden my face changes, like boom, I am dark. So that's why this is a dark one for the summer. I have to find something to balance it out, something lighter to go over it, and then that just balances the whole thing out. I'm also going to put it under my eyes because I am going to also use another powder over it to balance everything. You can see the golden in there. Even though it's dark, you can see, I can see the golden. I hope you can see a little golden. If you look on my nose, you can see a little bit of the golden. My One Size Rich Peach powder, I'm going to take it and put all over this powder. Even though it's a powder foundation, I am still setting it with this because I need a balance. And I'll do one side of my face so you can see what I'm talking about when I say I need a balance. I took way too much as usual. Can you see the difference? My right, which will be your left, has the Rich Peach setting powder over the Patrick Ta One Size Press Powder Foundation Dark 4G. G is golden, dark. It's a little darker than what I use, but there is golden in it because you can see here where I have a lot of golden in my skin tone. You can see the golden. But now that I've put the pressed powder over it, you see it changes how this looks. My left side, which will be your right side, does not have any setting powder, and it is just the powder foundation. See the color? See how the shade looks on me? It still has gold, it's just a tad too deep. On my right, which is your left, I have the powder foundation on, but then I put the rich peach setting powder over it, and it has changed how it looks. So you see the difference? Now I'm going to do the other side. Now I'm going to do the other side because I just want to bring a little balance to it. So I just wanted to show you the balance. My right has the setting powder. My left don't have the setting powder. Undertone is correct. This powder, this pressed powder changes the shade to get a little lighter. Correct undertone, summer powder. I couldn't wear this in the cooler months because I couldn't wear this in the cooler months because it would just be way off. But right now I can wear it and put the powder over it, the setting powder over it, and it makes it just right. Big fluffy brush, and we are just going to take all that excess off. I'm going to use the Juvia's Place setting spray, and I'm going to spray this down. I have my little fan. Now this is what I am looking like so far with the one size pressed powder foundation and the one size rich peach loose setting powder. This is it.